So step one is to pick your parts. Use a website like PC Part Picker where you can go to the system builder to enter in the parts that intrigue you to check compatibility. You want to make sure that everything's going to work together with your build. You can also check your online retailer where you're buying your parts from. They may also have a built-in program directly on their webpage to help you in this process to check compatibility. But that's step one, guys. Identify the parts you want within your budget and make sure that they work together.